How to find X or Twitter users from contact list. First is to ensure that your application has been updated to its latest version. To do so, just head over to Play Store, search for Twitter or X, and then you will see an update button. And once you find an update button, just tap that button for the application to start updating. Once it is done, open the application, head over to your profile icon, which is found on the upper left corner, and then tap on Settings and Support. Go to Settings and Privacy, and then using the search bar above, search for Contacts, and then tap the result that will show. Now in this page, you will see this section, Sync Address Book Contacts. So all you have to do is turn on the toggle button beside that so that your contacts will be synced to the application. So once you've turned on the toggle button, you can start finding your contacts by going to your profile and then tap on Following, and then you will see an icon found on the top right corner. So just tap that icon, and now the accounts under suggested for you are those accounts that are based from the contacts which were synced to the application. Another method is by using the search icon, which you can find on the bottom, and search for their contact number. And so that is how you find X or Twitter users from contact list. Thank you and have a great day.